So now that we've got our SDK set up for our legs so we can control them, it's now time for us to set up our pole vectors for our knees so we can start to twist them and put those in so we can pose those much better. It's very, very simple to do. When we are doing constraints, anything out of this menu, we choose the thing we're going to be controlling first and then the thing that's going to be controlled. So before we've chosen children first and then the parent, if we're doing a direct parent using the P key, but in the constrain menu, so if we're using anything out of here, we have to go from the controller first, the parent first, to the child. So we need to select this knee control, and then we need to make sure we're selecting the right IK. This IK here, that rotate gimbal up here, and then go to constrain and pole vector, and then you'll see this new line appear, and this basically says that a connection is made here. Okay, so if we actually move that, we can start to move our knee as well. Beautiful. And then we do the same for the other side. Oops. So that's a point constraint there. I don't want to do that, remember. I want to do the pole vector. There we go. So then this knee works. And if we select both of our knees, twisty knees. Cool. So now we're actually going to parent our feet to our controls so that we can grab these and it will control everything. Because at the minute it's not actually moving anything. So let's do the left foot first. Remember, because we're doing a direct parent constraint here, we're actually using the P key, and we have to select the child first. So child first, which is going to be our leg lock joint one, and then our control, left leg control, and then if we hit P, then now that leg is controlled. So if we do the same for this side and hit P, we can see that these are now being controlled. And funnily enough, they've changed colour, so you can tell that this is being controlled as a right leg control, and this is being controlled as a left leg control, which is quite useful. Now what you will notice though is if we move these, our knee controls don't actually move with us, which is a bit of a problem. We want those to move relative to our feet control. So we do that, we need to make a point constraint from here to here. So we select this first and then this, because this is, remember when we're doing our constraints out of this menu, we want this to control this essentially. It's not the other way around like we do when we parent stuff using the P key. So we want to go select the foot control first and then the knee control, and then bring that constraint to point, but we want to go to the option box first, and we want to make sure that maintain offset is selected, and then we want to click add. So when we move, our knee stays in the right position from our leg. Yeah. It will change colour when we actually select it because it's part of this group, but you can tell that it's the left side because it still retains the blue. So if we do the same thing on this side, controller first, knee control second, pole constraint, make sure maintain offset is selected, add, and then click, and then there you go, it moves with us.